The Nano clave neutral displacement needle-free connector from ICU Medical incorporates our clinically proven needle-free technology and is designed to help keep your neonatal and pediatric patients safe by minimizing flush volumes while providing a safe and effective microbial barrier. Effectively managing patient fluids and electrolyte status are two of the most critical elements of neonatal infusion therapy. NanoClave may help you maintain appropriate patient fluid balance by reducing the volume of flush solution required to clear the IV connector of medications or blood components. The NanoClave incorporates the same clinically proven internal fluid path design and construction as our market-leading microclave neutral displacement connector, but is specifically designed to be smaller to improve patient comfort and minimize residual volume. The NanoClave features a clinically preferred split septum design and is composed of three separate components: an internal blunt cannula that provides a dedicated internal fluid path, a flat, swappable split septum compression seal that covers and seals the fluid path, and a clear polycarbonate housing that allows you to visualize the internal fluid path to help ensure proper flushing. To access the NanoClave, first, swab the flat silicone surface with an approved disinfectant according to your facility protocol. When the NanoClave is properly disinfected using a clinically validated swabbing technique, microorganisms are removed from the access site of the split septum. As the access lure contacts the sterile silicone surface and begins to compress the septum, a dynamic seal is created, and the internal blunt cannula begins to pass through the split septum. The internal fluid path is accessed only when the silicone is compressed and the windows of the cannula become exposed inside the internal diameter of the access lure. This creates a dedicated internal fluid path where at no point does the exterior of the access lure, split septum, or housing come into contact with the fluid path. When the access lure is removed, the septum returns to cover the cannula and closes the fluid path once again. Because the NanoClave allows you to visualize the internal fluid path, you can easily verify that you have effectively flushed the connector after use with blood or medications. A recent study indicates that NanoClave can be flushed free of blood and blood components with extremely low flush volumes, which is possible because of the exceptionally small residual volume of 0.02 milliliters. NanoClave's neutral displacement feature means that there is minimal blood reflux in the catheter tip upon connection or disconnection of a lure. This feature allows you to use the NanoClave with any clamping protocol, which eliminates the risk of technique error that can occur when using either negative or positive displacement connectors. The NanoClave also allows you to use a saline flush protocol, which can provide you with cost savings while eliminating the risk of any clinical complications associated with heparin. And the NanoClave can be used on all peripheral, arterial, and central venous IV catheters to administer IV fluids, medication, and blood products. The innovative neutral displacement design, minimal size and fluid volumes, and clear housing of the NanoClave from ICU Medical make this the clear choice for your neonatal and pediatric needle-free connector needs.